Hello, good morning. Let's explore Pine Ridge Bucari Mountain Resort in Leon, Iloilo. Let's go. Along the highway lang gid siya yaya oh, pagsulod mo. Ara, may gamay nga pangalan. Pine Ridge. Wow. Ang ganda rin. Look at that. Relaxing kayo. Siya dali ang resort. Lapad ang parking lot sa sulod. Parang building. Tara, let's go! Ikutin natin ang Pine Ridge Bucari Mountain Resort. This rest house mountain gives the perfect view of Bucari, located in Leon among misty mountains and surrounded by nature and greenery. My loves! Ayan na! Ideal for relaxation, pa-chill-chill, retreat, fellowship. 1 hour travel lang siya from Iloilo City, tag 100 ang entrance fee, and 3-star hotel na siya. Come on! Lagaw na kamo diri. Kasi malapad ang kanilang parking area. Mura pa ang kanilang entrance fee at ang ganda ng view, super lamig dito. Ang lamig, grabe, ang sarap ng hangin, super fresh. Ayan oh, dyan sa taas, pa chill lang kayo, pa coffee. Ayan yung kanilang coffee shop dyan sa loob. May spa rin sila, no? May bar, massage, at syempre, dyan, chill with your barkada, family, and friends. Uy, gaya niyan. Palakad-lakad lang po tayo, paturo-turo sa napakagandang view ng Bucari. Napaka-relaxing, napakalamig. Parang nasa Baguio ka lang. Ayan. Hindi ako mapakali dyan. Pangin-hangin. Nag-i-enjoy talaga ako that day. At syempre, may swimming pool rin sila. Hot and cold. Para mag-enjoy mga bata at mga bata isip. Ayan yung kanilang mga rooms. Meron barkada, merong family. Kayo nang pumili. Ayan. Meron din dito sa baba. Ayan. Ang aking my loves at si Boy. At syempre yung owner. Doon sa kanyang mga log cabin. That room cost 2,500 with air condition and the rooms here for 1,500 only. This is my sir. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello to your vlog.
And me. Ito yung room na 2,500. Ayan. Ayan, 2,500. For 1,500 only. Ang ganda. Look at that. See? 1,500 lang. Ito ang view. Wow.
Pero, makapan ka daw, maka-monkey trail ka.
May monkey trail.
Treehouse.
May treehouse. May treehouse. May Carabao. May sunflower ka pa na local.
Pwede kami
May treehouse man sila. May pabulak-bulak. Pada nga sunflower nga galagmay yun. Ang local lang bala siya. Nagtubo. Of course, you can order breakfast. Andyan lang sa kanilang menu. Pili lang kayo. At yan ang pinahanda ng kasi ni Papa Noy. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung ating coffee. Cheers! Ito yung kagandahan dito kasi we support local. From local coffee beans lang po yan. From local market, yan ay nagsusupport sa ating mga farmers sa coffee industry. Samahan nyo kami ni Papa Noy. Coffee time! Nice view. Kami, diday! Si Papa Noy, si Cassie Nonel, and Boy. The owner. Anong Nonel? This is the area where you can relax, have some fun, detoxify, and connect to nature. And may treehouse na isa. Thank you so much, Lord, for the wonderful sunrise, another fresh start, and thank you, Manong Nonel.